Hello everybody, today we'll do this split and how to stretch your body for that element. I will show you now some exercises which help you to do that. So first what you're starting to do, we'll get sit in this position and starting working with the legs, slowly pushing down and open our hips. So 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, after that working with this leg, feel pushing 1, 2, 3, 4, and stay on this side. Take our hands and do pushings for our leg. So if you want good stretching, stay with me now, don't go away. Okay, take it. 1, 2, 3. Take stretching this side, take our hand, take leg, starting the pushing. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Try taking this side and try take up our body. Take 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Stay in this side. Okay, take 2 legs together. Take our breathe. Slowly breathe out and roll down. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So thank you so much for watching. I hope that you like it, subscribe me, and take me like so. Bye.